Hello everyone, and welcome to the unboxing of the January 2019 Simon Says Stamp Card Kit. Wow, 2019. That's still weird to say, isn't it? But I did get this a couple of days ago and just been busy, haven't had a chance to open it yet. Some exciting news for 2019. I made it onto the design team for Some Odd Girl. I did do my first project, but I did not film a video. So if you'd like to see that project, please, visit my blog. It's creationsbycarolr.blogspot.com, or my Facebook, Creations by Carol R. Some Odd Girl. There's a lot of different places to see that. Got a cherry sucker this time. Love the cherry ones. Okay, let's get the page out here and we'll dive in. This one is called Snow Much, and the exclusive stamp set is called Snow Much. Let's look at it first. Got these adorable penguins and 3 different snowmen. I like them because they're got different orientations of how they're facing. We have Winter Hello. There's a Snow One Like You. I'm Snow in Love with You. We got a Thanks for my gift. So much thanks. Snow Much, missing you. Want to build a snowman. Got an igloo and lots of different snowflakes and things. So cute set called Snow Much. Okay, next we have the Twirling Ice Skater die in here somewhere. So that would be really cute to do as a silhouette, like all in black. You could back it with another one and put a string in it and then twist it so when they open the card then it just twirls. Those are fun. So some neat things you can do with this. Alright, we've got 12 double-sided sheets of Echo Park Celebrate Winter. So old-fashioned hot cocoa, marshmallows, whipped cream. That's neat. I like the colors on that. Oh, I like the colors. That still kind of blue. That's pretty. Some cut aparts. Nice pattern. Some more cut aparts. Oh, that's a pretty pattern. I love those colors. The red's fun. Little penguin snowman. I like the plaid. A lot of fun patterns and pretty colors. I like the color palette of this. It's very nice. Okay, what's next? We have a secure white jelly roll pen. So get a new jelly roll pen with this one. Tim Holtz custom. This is an empty Distress Oxide pad. So if you have the Distress Oxide inkers, you can. I can't seem to get this open. But it's just an empty pad. So you can take your inkers and do like a couple of different colors. You could like do an ombre on it or some colors that will blend and go together and make your own custom ink pad. I don't have any inkers yet, so I'm just going to set that aside for the future. Okay, we got a pack of Doris white pom-poms and a pack of Doris colored assortment pom-poms and a set of needles and a bobbin of white thread. So people are stringing these together to make little garlands and stuff for their cards, or you can use these as little snowballs on a card with the snow in. And here are the needles. So big eyes on these. That's always handy. Those little bitty eyes. Not sure if I could ever get something through those or not. But anyway. Then we have the mini bottle of glossy accents, so always handy. And then we have a Schoolhouse red envelope, so that's nice for Valentine's Day coming up. We have 3 large black tags. These are just very soft cardstock. I'm going to have to come up with something interesting for these. Okay, and then in our cardstocks we have Surf Blue, Island Blue, and 120 pound white. So very wintry feel it goes very well with this paper pack. And this is the Simon Says Stamp 2019, January 2019 card kit, Snow Much. So we will see you soon in the next video. Bye.